So based on the explanation we made in the last video, let's quickly solve some stoichiometry related question. So we're given the volume of hydrogen. We're asked what volume of hydrogen will be produced when 48 grams of magnesium react completely with dilute hydrochloric acid according to the following equation. So we're already given a balanced chemical equation, and we're given the molar mass of magnesium to be 24, and we're told that 1 mole of hydrogen gas occupies 22.4 dm cube. So this is basically a mass to volume relationship, because we're already given the mass of magnesium and we're asked to solve for the volume of hydrogen. So we already have the necessary parameters to solve this question, and for the stoichiometric pathway of mass to volume relationship, we are going to use the mass of A, which is going to be the mass of magnesium in this case, to solve for the number of mole of A, which is going to be the number of mole of magnesium. Then we are going to use that to solve for the number of mole of B, which is the number of mole of hydrogen gas from this equation. Then we are now going to solve for the volume of B. So to do that, what is the relationship between mass and number of mole? It is the formula number of mole is equal to mass over molar mass. So using that, the number of mole of magnesium is going to be, the mass of magnesium we have is what? Is 48 grams. Then the molar mass of magnesium given from the question is 24 grams. So if we divide this, we are going to be left with 2 mole of magnesium, meaning that 2 mole of magnesium reacted to give us hydrogen gas. Now the next thing we are going to consider is we are going to use the number of mole of A, which is 2 mole of magnesium, to solve for the number of mole of B. Now a very simple way we do this is by considering their stoichiometric relationship, meaning that the mole ratio at which they react. Now for this question, we are considering only magnesium and hydrogen gas, and magnesium and hydrogen gas from the question, magnesium reacted to give us hydrogen gas. There is no coefficient in front of the two of them from this balanced equation, meaning that they are reacting in ratio 1 to 1. So basically, if 2 mole of magnesium, basically if we have 2 mole of magnesium, it simply means we are going to be having 2 mole of hydrogen gas. So basically we are solved for the number of mole of hydrogen gas. So now that we have gotten the number of mole of hydrogen gas, meaning that we have gotten the number of mole of B, we'll now use that to solve for the volume of B. And from here, we can see that 1 mole of hydrogen occupies 22.4 dm cube at STP, meaning that 2 mole of hydrogen gas at STP would be occupying, so meaning that if we equate them to each other, 1 mole of hydrogen gas at STP will give us 22.4 dm cube. So 2 mole of hydrogen gas at STP will give us what? We just need to like cross multiply. So 22.4 multiplied by 2 should give us 44.8 dm cube, meaning that 44.8 dm cube of hydrogen gas would react completely with 44 grams of magnesium in order for us to have this reaction.